Peter Panhandle here, and this is a North Cypriot wedding, and all going past our house here. It's about 8 o'clock on a Sunday night, so come outside to film them. This is fantastic because last night we had a massive row with the neighbour about noise in the street, and here we are again on the next night, and it's noisier than ever, which is absolutely amazing. He'll be doing his nut. So we're just filming people outside here, and all the noise is coming from this house, which is right on the corner. So I think that the wedding is here, and we're going to be in for a very, very, very rough night, noise-wise, because there's all maniacs coming along here, and they're all driving down the street. Just makes me think, I wish I hadn't left my car parked in the street here. There's my car. There's my car here. We've watched all the Fear of Doom, and everyone's just parking in the street now and getting all shirty and irate. Yeah, so it's getting a bit evil. So everyone's parked up in the street now, and the whole thing has just stopped. So everyone's getting out the cars for some reason. And then we better film. I better speak to you later. Everyone's just stopped in the street. Look, when you make this out, but all the cars are just parking actually in the street and blocking the old road, which is fantastic news. All right, I shall speak to you later.